Right folks, as Eugene has in his hands there, Thinkware dash cam, front and rear camera that we installed this afternoon into a Range Rover Sport Evoque. So that's the Thinkware dash cam, front and rear camera. It's an F770. I'm just going to show you the car, and I'll show you the two dash cams installed on it. So that's the front camera. It's just over to one side of the inside mirror, so it doesn't block any vision for anybody, and it's easy access. The control buttons on it to switch on the Wi-Fi, etc. And the back camera I'll show you. You can just about see the back camera there, and I'll show you where it's installed in the car. That's it installed up there. Cables are all headed well away out of sight, so there's nothing hanging. And that's just a finished job. You can view the camera, any footage, download the Thinkware dash cam, and you can play it back via an iPhone or iPad or any Android devices. Just download the dash cam app from their app store. So if that's something that you want fitted, give us a wee call. Connect Mobile Solutions. Thanks for watching.